Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin from the Gravity team here. If you are looking to grow your audience and engage with your customers, Mailchimp and Brevo are both solid choices when it comes to email marketing. In this video, we're going to go over the strengths of each platform so that you can choose the one that is best for you. Let's dive in. First, we'll take a look at Mailchimp. If you need an all-around marketing hub, Mailchimp might be the right choice for you. With customizable email templates and a drag-and-drop builder, you can easily create engaging emails and automated workflows. You also have access to comprehensive analytics, allowing you to track email open and click-through rates and understand how campaigns are performing. And if you're running an e-commerce store, Mailchimp has a plethora of pre-built e-commerce email templates. Mailchimp also has deep integrations with other e-commerce platforms, including WooCommerce, Gravity Forms, and Shopify. Mailchimp's pricing is tiered by audience size, and transactional email is handled via the Mailchimp Transactional Email add-on. Brevo, on the other hand, takes a different approach, with pricing based on emails sent rather than the size of your contact list, which can make it far more cost-effective if you're managing a large audience. So let's talk Brevo. Similar to Mailchimp, Brevo offers a drag-and-drop experience with pre-built templates, making setting up workflows a breeze. You also have access to Brevo's CRM, which keeps all of your customer data, sales pipeline, and communication history in one place, letting you nurture leads and close deals without having to leave the platform. You can also run SMS campaigns and add live chat with SMS billed separately. Pricing is per email sent, with transactional email included. Whether you're a beginner, a power user, or somewhere in the middle, Brevo has you covered. So the ultimate question is, which service is right for you? Mailchimp has been around since 2001, making it one of the most established names in email marketing. If you're looking for a robust platform, running an e-commerce store, or just looking for a tool that's quick and easy to get started with, Mailchimp could be for you. Brevo, on the other hand, is the newer, more agile contender, combining a built-in CRM and a powerful SMS platform for seamless multi-channel marketing. While Mailchimp also offers SMS, Brevo's automation takes it to the next level. From a cost perspective, Mailchimp can get pricey as your contact list grows, while Brevo's pay-per-email model often delivers more value to businesses with large audiences or less frequent sends. You can't go wrong with either option. It will all depend on the features each platform has and what your business needs. And if you have any questions on either product, be sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.